Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to turn off your PlayStation 4. Now, the first way is to hold down the PlayStation button on your controller, and then open up the quick menu right here, and then go on down to power. Then you can go to enter rest mode, and this will allow you to download updates and game DLC or games when you're in the rest mode. And there will be like a orange light on the top of your PlayStation. It won't be completely turned off. But if you want to completely turn off your PS4, go right here, turn off PS4. Now you can also get to the power options by going up to the top, then going all the way over to the right, and you will locate power right here. Then you can go to power options, and then you can go to power off. The second way you can turn off your PlayStation 4 is by holding down the physical power button right here. So if you hold it down, you will hear one beep initially, and then about 10 to 15 seconds later, you will hear another beep, and you'll notice the light bar will blink, and it will be completely turned off in about 10 to 15 seconds, and there will be no light on the top of the PlayStation anymore. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.